Hi everyone, it's Lourdes Galang of Wealthy Moms Club. So, what will you get in this course if you purchase our digital product selling online course? Of course, it's a digital product selling online course. So, ang unang-una mo talaga makukuha dito is an introduction to digital products. So, kung hindi ka pa masyadong familiar sa iba't ibang digital products or this is your first time to hear about digital products, then you will get an introduction to it. And then at the same time, you will get step by step on how to create your own digital product. So if you're planning to create an ebook or an online course, definitely you will be able to learn that from here. And you will get step by steps on how to create your own online course, how to set up your own sales funnel. So kung naririnig mo yung sales funnel, you can also apply this if you want to apply as a virtual assistant, especially for clients who are looking for virtual assistants who can help them in creating their own sales funnel for their products or for their company. Definitely magagamit mo yung matututunan mo dito in creating your own sales funnel to apply to different freelancing platforms as well. And you will also get printable planners and templates, how to create ebooks, social media marketing strategies kung pinag-aaralan mo pa lang kung paano mo ipopromote ang iyong mga online products or online businesses, then definitely you can get that. Sa TikTok, sa Instagram, sa Facebook, we will have marketing strategies and tips for that. And also how to create your own webinar, your email marketing, rights to resell the course so you can start earning passive income. So these are just some of the few things that you will get in purchasing our online course for digital product selling. And what's good thing about this digital product selling business online course, once you purchase it, you can start reselling this online course and start earning money and get value for your money. So for those who are thinking to purchase our digital product selling business course, just click the link on my profile if you're on TikTok. And then once you click the link on my profile, you can click the link for Start Your Digital Product Selling Business Online Course. If you're watching on YouTube or on Facebook or on Instagram, just click the link that I've posted on the description box. Then click the link for Start Your Digital Product Selling Business Online Course. If you have any questions or concerns or any inquiries about our digital product selling business online course, you can contact me on the contact details that you're seeing on your screen. You can also join our Wealthy Moms Club PH community. It's a Facebook group that I have created. Just click the link that you're seeing on your screen and you can join our Facebook group so that you could interact with other moms or join this community so that we could build up and encourage one another in creating our multiple sources of income, but at the same time in how to be a wealthy mom the way how God has created us to be. So, see you in our Wealthy Moms Club PH community and also looking forward in partnering with you in creating your multiple sources of income and also in your digital product selling business. Thank you and God bless.